Hello and welcome back. It's been a while since my last video. Today I want to give you information on numbers to use when calculating for concrete and for tile. So let's start with concrete. So there's a traditional formula that you don't have to use anymore. So I'm going to give this to you, but I wanted to show you that this is the information needed to calculate this concrete. Times 10 times 10 feet is equal to, so we can't use that and then divide by 27, right? So we have to convert this 4 to feet. So to do that, we will need to do a division problem, right? And that equals 0.333333. Okay, so now we will rewrite the formula, right? So it's 0.33333 times 10 times 10. That would equal, and then we divide by 27, correct? Let me show you the answer. So when we did this is 33.33333. Then to divide by 27 is going to equal 1.23456790123. That is the answer. Okay, so but I want to show you a different way to calculate it. We're going to use the square feet. So this is 10 feet by 10 feet, and that's going to equal 100 square feet. But we're going to use, for 4 inches, we're going to use 81. So in this case, we would take like 100 and divide it by 81 for a 4-inch thick slab, right? And it's going to equal the same number. And so forth and so on. So I'll give you a list of these. So like for 4 inches, 6, let's say 8, 10, and this is 12 inches. So like for 4 inches, we're going to use 81. For 6 inches, we're going to use 54. And then for 8 inches, we're going to use 40.5. And for 10 inches, we're going to use 32.4. And then 12 inches, we're going to use 27, right? So the number in inches is absolutely the thickness of the slab or the driveway. And then we need to multiply times width times length. Then we're going to get square footage. We divide by 27, but in our case, we're going to use these numbers here to divide by. So 4 inches slab thickness, we're going to use 81, and so forth and so on with that. Okay. I want to give you also tile. So rather than taking the traditional methods to calculate for tile, which is kind of painstaking, crucial, I'm going to give you a direct number for tile, the number tile based on 100 square feet, that 10 by 10 room. For 13 inch, let's say we're going to 11 by 11 inches tile. And let's say we're doing 13 and 15. These are the standard sizes of tiles. 17 by 17, 19 by 19 inch tiles, right? So we know that this area of tile divided by the square feet, that's what I'm giving you, based on 100. So let's use 119 tiles. And for 13 by 13, we'll use 85 tiles. All right? And let's say for 15, we need 64 tiles. These are all based on this 10 feet by 10 foot equals 100 square feet, right? So if you know one, then you will know the other. For example, 100 square feet. If we did 10 by 20, that would be 200 square feet. And we just increased this by 2 as well. So these numbers are based on 100 square feet. So let's say for 17 by 17, you need 49 tiles. And then for 19 by 19, you need 39 tiles. You know, there's more. I'll kind of give you more later. So these numbers are based on 100 square feet. Okay, so for 11 by 11 tiles, based on 100 square feet, we need 119. I like to use this method I was using for my estimating. It's plus 1, right? So this will be 120. This will be 86, 65, 50, and 40 tiles that I would need. Thank you, and I'll try not to be so in getting back to shooting another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.